John Kavakis here with another edition of My Take, and today I've got a pre-production prototype of Stamp's new 1957 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special. Now, the 60 Special nameplate goes all the way back to 1938 when Cadillac decided they wanted to have a car to slot between their Series 60 and their Series 65. Now, this car was designed by none other than, watch this, Harley Earl and Bill Mitchell. And it was an absolute smash success. It outsold all the other Cadillacs in the lineup and continued to do so for several years after that. Now, in 1940, they added the name Fleetwood to it because in 1940, all of the bodies were made exclusively by Fleetwood, so it became the Fleetwood 60 Special. Went through a couple of different changes, generations right after the war there, but in 1957, all of the Cadillacs were brand new. And the list of standard equipment was really pretty impressive. It came with power windows, had power brakes. You could do a pre-selector radio, really neat little bit of engineering. The air conditioning compressor moved from the trunk up to under the hood. That was a first. And it had a feature, watch this, that when you put the car into gear, the parking brake lever would automatically release. Now that doesn't sound like a whole lot today, but that was kind of the beginning of this long list of standard features we expect from our cars today. And Cadillac was at the forefront of all that. Probably one of the greatest features in 1950, the mid-50s, particularly 57, was the color palette. Look at these colors that were available. Oh my gosh, they were bright, they were vibrant, they were beautiful pastels, deep and lustrous solid colors, and the metallics were getting more and more metallic and better looking all the time. Stamp is going to give us this car in 3 colors. It's going to be Bahama Blue metallic with a tan interior. There'll be a black one with a tan interior, and I have here today an Arlington Green Mist with a green interior. Now again, this is a pre-production prototype, so it didn't come with a box. It doesn't have a label or anything on it, but you're going to get a good look at it just before it's released. Now I'm going to do something a little bit different here today. I'm not going to do the running commentary. I'm going to put the car on the turntable and give you a good solid look at it and let you decide for yourself whether or not you like these features. You know, I've always been impressed by Stamp's finish. It seems to be getting better and better, deep and lustrous. You put them under the lights, these things absolutely pop, and I love it. But you'll get a chance to see all of the detail, the wheels, the whole thing. Then I'll come back to you after you've had a good look at the model. So there it is. That's Stamp's 1957 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special. This one's in green. Retail on it's going to be $129. You got a couple dealers out there selling for about $119 or so. I'll give you a few links you can follow, the dealers that I enjoy, dealers that I respect. But, you know, they're probably showing up at your dealers right about now. So if you want one, you ought to get in there quickly. These have a tendency to sell out pretty fast. So thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate spending some time with me. If you liked the video, do me a favor. Give me a like down there in the bottom right. Of course, we'd love to have you as a subscriber. We went well over 500 subscribers a few weeks ago, and the channel keeps on growing, and that's because of all of your help and all of your encouragement. I'll be back again soon. I've got some other prototypes to show you.